What's up, Diode fans? So today, nice short sweet video for you. We are going to be installing the Stage Series hitch mount kit. This is going to be going on a Jeep Gladiator, but the instructions are also applicable to the 2-door Wrangler and the 4-door Wrangler. So the Jeep JT, aka Gladiator, JL and JLU, aka 2-door, 4-door Wrangler, are going to follow this exact same procedure. So it is not proprietary to one model or another. It has no matter what your trim is as well. I have installed this on a JLU Sport, and our friend Courtney took advantage of my ambassador code. She got free shipping. She got the free toolkit. And I told her, hey, you do that for the Memorial Day sale, I'll install it for free. Let me shoot the video. Here we are. So I'm going to put her name on there. She explores a lot. She's worth a follow. Lots of neat things out here in Southern Nevada. So Jeep Girl 702, if you got a chance, go give her a follow. In the meantime, let's get into this. So included in the kit is the star of the show. And this is the C1R. This has been revised and improved to be brighter. And it is a little bit of a price increase. However, it now includes a lifetime warranty. So this guy is 100% solid. And so at the end of the day, if you're like me, I eliminated my third brake light because I put a 37-inch tire on my Jeep and I need that legally. So the hitch mount solved that problem and I'm legal on the road. In this case, Courtney wanted to be able to see when she's out trailing and wanted the brighter light. And I recommended this. She saw the video, she liked it and got it. So star of the show right here. Included with that is actually this as well, an adapter. So if you've got a thicker hitch, this one will just slide in as well. So this basically slides into this, and then if you're thicker, you're good to go. It won't rattle around. Lastly included is the harness kit. And again, this thing makes things super easy. All you have to do, which again we'll get into, but all you have to do is basically unplug your OEM connection, which is right on your bumper next to your license plate. Plug this guy in, take this guy, put this to your OEM disconnect that we disconnected, and then you take this plug and run it to this guy in the hitch. Now, the nice thing about all this too is that it does have tabs on it right here so that it will lock into your hitch and not slide around. But if you also tow, you'll be able to go ahead and actually pull this out, disconnect it, set it to the side, and still put your tow hitch in, and you'll retain all your functionality of your wiring harness for your trailer, and you'll obviously be able to tow, and all of this gets out of the way. So I think I've spoke about as long as it took me to install this. Let's get into that right now. Okay, team, so the first thing you need, obviously on a JT, which comes, is one of these, because there is an adapter on the back side, which we will get into. Right, boom, there. And for perspective, there is your driver rear, and there's your spare. So this is, again, on the back side of this. Go directly behind it. There's this tab, which is towards the taillight side. Hopefully you still have that white tag that's right there. And we're just gonna push in, and this is really a two-handed job, but push in, and then this guy will pop out. So we're gonna do that and pick the video up. And after I pull him, I am going to get the harness, so we will pick up with this disconnected and the diode harness. Okay guys, so there's the OEM. This is the one that we're putting in. So the shorty actually goes in right here where the OEM was. And there he goes. If you guys off-road a lot, you may get some grime and dirt in there, which may make this a little easier. There we go. Okay, let's see if okay, so he's on. Now we just push until it clicks. Okay, there we go. And then this one, the OEM, plugs into here. So I'm gonna make that because I need two hands. Okay team, so we got the shorter one on the OEM plug that goes to our hitch that is right there. And then we took the longer one and put it on the OEM one that was plugged in there. So we're all good there. This is your feed. And now what we're gonna do is take the adapter, which is the DiodeDynamics one, and for your Jeep, you're just going to go ahead and run it here. And the light is conveniently right there. Now, I already kind of put this in, so I'm gonna back it out real quick and plug it. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so here's our plug and it went through. So all we gotta do now is plug in the DiodeDynamics super easily, obviously in the correct orientation. There we go. And then we slide this guy right into the receptacle, and as you'll see, there we go, he snapped into place. So now he's not going anywhere. Now we need to address these, and we're going to go ahead and take care of that right now with the included zip ties. All right, guys, so our last thing to address, as you can see, our friend Courtney, she does wheel. And if you're buying one of these, you probably do too. So you cannot leave the wire like this, or you're gonna go ahead and have some issues. So what we're gonna do is tuck this up in here and find a suitable place with the included zip ties to hang it. It's very important here that we don't let any of the wires go beyond this hitch point. So we want to keep them up here nice and secure with a zip tie. And I'm thinking all we have to do is zip tie right onto the plug itself, and that's not going anywhere. So that's what we're gonna do. And all right, guys, so we are wrapped up. Cord is nice, safe, out of the way. So when she's wheeling, nothing's gonna get there. We have it zip tied right here, and that is connected to the harness in and of itself. And then we have it also connected there. This guy dangles. What he is, he's just a dust cover. So if you ever need to remove this dude, you can put the plug right there. So in case you're, constantly switching out for a tow hitch, you just push in the buttons, pop it out, undo it, and then run the cord back out the back way and put your hitch in. So super simple, 5 to 10 minutes. And she is highly visible now. Yay.